Hello everyone and welcome to this homework. In this homework you are going to answer questions saying yes or no in a friendly way. You have to use I really or I don't really. Okay, let's go to your homework. First of all, here we have different questions, so you have to answer them saying yes or no. Both. Two. Do you make your own clothes? No, not really. I am not very good at making clothes. I am not very good at it. I am not into it. I am not into making clothes. You can say in all those ways, no. Yes, I am very good at making clothes. I am really good at making clothes. Okay, those are some of the answers you could provide for this question. Number 3, does your best friend collect anything? No, not really. He does like it. He hates it. He prefers, here you have to mention another activity. Yes, he really likes to collect things. He's very good at it. He's very good at collecting. Um, he's really into collecting things, and you can mention here, okay, what he collects. 4. Does your teacher speak Russian? No, not really. She doesn't know how to speak Russian. Here you can explain. When you say no, not really, then you can explain. And yes, she really speaks Russian very well. You can say she really speaks Russian, or you can say she speaks Russian very well. You can use some of these structures. She's very good at speaking languages. She is very good at it. Are you into winter sports like skiing? Okay, no, not really. I am not into sports. I don't like them. Or yes, I am really into sports. I love skiing. Here you explain. In both answers, you are explaining. Remember that to be into something is to feel passionate by something. Number 6, do you and your friends enjoy cooking? No, we don't really enjoy cooking. We prefer eating out. You can see, you say no, you say we really, we don't really do it. But then, in order to be okay, more friendly, you can explain or give an example. Yes, I really enjoy cooking. I love it. I really enjoy cooking with my friends. We really enjoy cooking. We love it. Are your classmates into computer games? No, not really. They are not into computer games. Or, yes, of course, they are really into computer games. Are you interested in photography? No, not really. And then you explain, I am not really interested in photography, and you can explain, I am into another activity, or I am interested in another activity. Yes, I am really interested in photography in this case. Okay, now you have to answer, so it is free. But I'm going to give you the structure. Maybe it's gonna be different from my example, but the idea is that you could feel guided by it. Let's see. Would you like to learn a new language? First of all, yes, I really like if it is affirmative. Of course, if the question is with good, you should answer with good. I would really, it's better to use constructions. So, would you like? Yes, I'd like. Or, no, not really. I would, here again. I would prefer to learn another thing. You can see here. Do you have a lot of hobbies? Simple present tense question. So you have to answer with the same or a very similar structure at the beginning. Yes, I really have many hobbies. Oh yes, I have a lot of hobbies. And then you should explain. My favorite one is, okay, no. In the case you answer no, no, not really. I don't really have time to spend in hobbies. Can you knit or sew? Here the question is done using modal verb can, so you should use the same one. Yes, I can knit and sew. Or you can say, yes, I can knit, but I can't sew. I am very good at it. You can say, I am very good at knitting, or I am very good at sewing. No, the answer. If your answer is no, no, not really. I am not very good at knitting or sewing. Are you artistic? Yes, I am really artistic. You can say I am really into art, or I am very good at performing art activities, or no. Not really, I am not into art. I am bad at performing art activities. And that's our homework. Thank you very much. See you.